Jesus Christ! It's the wrong way! Yes! Yes! Aren't you a great doggy? Five-star accommodation that Nerb promised me. This is an actual legit rocket. Oh my god, it's a bearded dragon! My freaking bike just died. You are joking. Why are you running? I just want to be buddies. Whoa, 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 alright, gotta stack. I hate sand. Why do I keep coming with Nerb to places with sand? Frick. Big day today. 700 plus Ks on the bike. Let's try and get back to Melbourne. Good day for it. Back saddle. The diamond in the dust. Get up. Back to road pressures. A big day of road ahead of us. Let's do it. Let's do it. But first, we're going to go to Broken Hill. It's the first Macca's out of the desert. It's been so long since I've had Macca's. I'm dying. KDM gets all the pussy.
That road closed.
Largest shearing shed built in 1785 from local timber.
There's two roads out of here.
Ooh. This is a big tin shed. There's things inside of it. And it's super boring. It's a big shed. Lots of old rusty things in it.
It's cool, except we've seen a real one working.
Yeah.
Just the other day.
This is a big freaking room though. This is a first model Holden Commodore right here. Before the VL came out, they had this one. Nerb's talking about the trusses. It's very interesting.
It is interesting truss.
Oh, look, it's a triangle. That's the strongest shape.
It's not a triangle, that's the point. Why is it not a triangle, Tom?
Why is it flat on the bottom?
Yeah, look, it's flat on the bottom.
Because
why the diagonals should come to the vertical.
Because when they were measuring it, they went from imperial to metric and they screwed up. That was the time they flicked over, screwed them over. Must be the compressor that compresses the bale of wool. Guessing? Big shearing shed, this one. We're out of the desert now, gents. We made it home to McDonald's. Nice to see some water again after being in the desert. Look at all the emus out there. There's millions of them. Emus, sheep, kangaroos, all lots of Australian wildlife. Nerv says it's too boggy down there to go have a look at the emus. I reckon I can get down there. All those animals can be out there, I can be out there. Look at them all. Millions of animals. Hey buddies, I want to be your friend. Wow, there's jillions of them. Hey, I want to run with you guys. Come on. Let's be friends. Wow, look at this one go. Wow. Woohoo. Come on, Skippy. Run. Oh, I've never felt so Australian in my life. Hey, Skippy. Look at them all. Hey, bud. Whoa. Oh, this is fantastic! Look how many emus! Look at them all! Why are you running? I just want to be buddies! Whoa, 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 alright, alright, got a stack. Alright, alright. Don't run into each other. Hey, Skippy, don't get up. Where you going? No, I'm trying to muster you this way. Skippies! Hey, little bud. Man, he's fast, man. Look at him go. Dish, 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 dish. Can we wheelie together? It's very slippery. It's hard to wheelie around here. Come on, emus, go this way. No, 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 no. This way, this way, this way. This way. You coming into me. You coming into me. You that way. Alright, that's enough being silly. I was one with the critters. Road train. Let's paint the poles like cigarettes. Oh, that'll be heaps funny, eh?
Well spotted.
Yep.
I didn't even notice.
Didn't even notice, mate. I spot the important things. Done. Back in Wentworth, where we met up with Craig. The 690 made it. I owe you $100, Nerb. 690 made it. Me and Nerb have still got a good 500 or so Ks to go, so we're going to find a place to camp and then do the rest of it tomorrow morning. 500 Ks. So Craig's going to trailer his bike back to Sydney. 690 made it. How good's that? Last night, I guess we're still in a desert.
Yeah, well, it's sandy.
Hatta Desert.
Yeah.
It is quite sandy. A roaring blaze. We're in Victoria now, so there's actually trees and shit. So it's easy to find firewood. Set up just down there. Last night in the bivvy. I've been in the bivvy like so many times in the last 3 weeks. Like 95% of my sleeping has been in a bivvy. It's a great blaze though, good lighting. Got my little pot on my little coals. Heating up. Got a fine selection of foods tonight because we have been eating at pubs and shit. So I've got all these continental things. I've also got 2 little Cokes and a little Jack Daniels. It's been sitting in my bag for a bit. Just made myself a little glass out of a bottle. So ready to get onto that. And my little pasta's done. Bush cooking at its finest. Last night camping in the bush. Time to get on the bike and ride 500 Ks home. Last camping spot for us. Back home, off to Melbourne. It's going to be cold and raining. Well, gents, there we are in Bendigo right now. Probably a last stop before I say farewell to Nerbsan. He goes off to the Countryville, and I'll go off to the west side.
What? Countryville? Civilised side of the city.
So far away. West side, Wild Wild West. Yeah. Trip complete. Well, nothing could go wrong now, possibly.
This work?
Hey, nice balaclava. The icy cold Bendigo weather. Anyway, gents, what an adventure. Till the next one. Bye bye, Papa. Bye bye. You're my best friend. You're my only friend. Floppy ears. I will call you Floppy. What's her actual name? Jessie. Hey, Jessie. Hey, Jessie. Hey. Hey. Good dog. Good farm dog. Alright, let's do it.